you see there? Alright. You know what I'm saying? I make no sense. I try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me to feel a way about the whole situation. I make no sense. Why this don't make no sense?
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? I can't talk to you in this state. You know say me wrong. No say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. And I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't man up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? I want to see me walk out here so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know say how. You have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know say me wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time no there. I be a skeleton there right now, so guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find something. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If I go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no
you know,
heart.
If you want to reach a police, make it reach a police. What you have to do, you have to do. Enjoy your day. Do you start now?
What did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, just go on.
Father God guide me now. Because I guess right now you see a girl that talk or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know say me all go around me too. Cause any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.